Hey guys, this is just a little simple video to show you how easy it is to get alerts to your email or your phone from MT4. Okay, we're just going to scroll down and read this article here. It's 4 simple steps. Actually, one of them, it's only 3. So if you want alerts for your email for whatever EA that you want to use, whether you use ours or not, this is how you do it. First of all, you want to use Gmail. Use Gmail. If you use any other provider, I can't help you. I've run into difficulty with other email providers, but Gmail has always been perfect. So use Gmail. Just go to gmail.com and sign up for an account. It's real simple. Now, once you've signed up for an account, or if you already have one, you just scroll down. What you want to do is you want to do not set up two-step verification, but do allow less secure apps. Here's a picture of it. Let me pull up the picture here. When you sign in, if you type in this little, and I'll put this in the notes below. If you type in this account right here, and you can probably just click on it, it will take you to your Google account. Okay, scroll down and turn off two-step verification. Turn it off. It's going to say either on or off. Just click it until it says off. And then continue to scroll down, and you want to turn on allow less secure apps. You want to turn that on. Now, once you've done that, you can just forget about that. That's done. Now you want to enter your email credentials into your MT4 account. So here's how you do it. Open up your MT4 account. If you don't have one, there's plenty of MT4 brokers out there. I use FX Pro for my signals. I use Oanda for my trading, but you can use whoever you want. So open up your MT4 account and type Control O. It will open up this little tab here, the Options tab. When you get on here, make sure you click on the Email tab within there, and you just input this information. You want to make sure there's a check in the Enable box. In your SMTP server, all you have to do is enter this right here, smtp.gmail.com. That's it. Put it right there. Put in your email address right here where it says SMTP login. Put in your email password here where it says SMTP password. And then you can just put in your email again here and here. So you need to enter in your email here, here, and here, and your email password here. And then put smtp.gmail.com here. And then you're all set. Once you've got that done, step 3, you want to click Test. The Test button is right here. After you've entered in all of your information, click Test, and then you want to check your journal. Now, if you scroll down, it will say Mail. Test message has been sent. And if it's, you can check your email. Here's the journal right here down at the very bottom of your MT4. You can click there to see if it has been sent. If it has not been sent, there's something, either you left this off or you turned this on, one of the two, or there's something wrong with your, whatever, but I can't help you there. Okay, step 3, click Test to check your configuration. And make sure it says Mail test message has been sent. You can check your email, and you should have a test email. It'll actually say test in there. Wham, bam, thank you, ma'am. You are done. Your email is set up now. Pretty simple. Okay, now for push alerts, what if you want to get alerts on your phone? And the reason that you could do this is, number one, it takes time for the alerts to get to your email. Sometimes it takes a minute, sometimes it takes 2 or 3. So if you want push alerts for your phone, you can do it like this. And this is super simple. Okay, step 1, all you have to do is go into your Android market or iPhone store, whatever, install the MT4 app. Install it, let it install. You don't even have to sign up for an account. Go down to settings, and you want to get your MetaQuotes ID. If you click on settings, it's going to pull up this screen. Your MetaQuotes ID will be right here. If you click on that, you can copy it. Just copy it or remember it, write it down, whatever. It's going to be this little series of numbers here. And once you're done with that, open up your MT4 terminal on your computer. Click Control O again. and it will pull up your options tab. This time, instead of clicking on email, you want to click on notifications. You want to click on notifications. Once you've got notifications up, you want to enter in this number that you just copied into your MetaQuotes ID right here. Make sure that you have Enable Push Notifications checked and Notify Trade Transactions checked. So you enter the mobile MetaQuotes ID here, and then you want to click Test. You want to make sure that it works. Now, when you click this button, most likely you're going to get something on your phone. Hang on. We're just going to check it right now. Okay, we're going to see how fast it makes it from whenever I click the test button until it reaches my phone. Listen for the sound. Here we go. Test. Okay. So that was about a second or two, and that's usually how often or how long it takes. Okay, check your phone for the test message. That sound you just heard, I received a test message right there. So now that's all. We're done. You should be set, and it's that simple. So don't confuse yourself. All you got to do is scroll back up here at the top, rewind this video, or go to the blog and just follow each direction, each simple direction. All right, thank you. Bye-bye.